A little boy runs. He has his kite. It is red and yellow. The sun shines bright. The sky is blue. It is a perfect day to fly a kite. A little brown puppy runs with the boy. He jumps and barks. He is happy. The boy laughs. His puppy is so funny. The kite dances in the wind. The puppy chases the kite's tail. It wags its tail. It loves to play. The boy runs faster. The wind catches the kite. Up it soars. The kite flies high, almost to the clouds. The boy watches in awe. Suddenly the wind stops. The kite dips low. Oh no, will it fall? The boy runs and runs. He pulls on the string. He doesn't want his kite to fall. The wind picks up again. The kite soars back into the sky. The boy is relieved. He laughs and hugs his puppy. They did it. What a wonderful day. The boy and his puppy watch the kite dance in the wind. They are happy together.